Hello everyone, and welcome back to Luca English Channel, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. My name is Luca.
Hello, Luca. Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah. I am very happy to be here with you today.
How are you feeling today, Sarah?
I am feeling good, thank you. I feel calm and relaxed.
That's great to hear. I am feeling good too. I feel ready to talk and drink coffee.
Coffee always helps.
Yes, it does. And today we are in a coffee shop.
That's right. We are having a conversation at a coffee shop.
This is a very common situation in daily life.
Yes, many people visit coffee shops every day.
Before we start, let's say something to our listeners.
Everyone, thank you for learning English with Luca English Channel.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend who's learning English.
Okay, Sarah, let's begin.
Let's start.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the coffee shop.
Thank you. This coffee shop looks very warm and friendly.
Thank you very much. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time here.
That's nice. My name is Luca.
Nice to meet you, Luca. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
The smell of coffee is very nice.
Thank you. We make fresh coffee every morning. What would you like to drink today?
Let me look at the menu, please.
Of course. Take your time.
Thank you. I see many drinks here.
Yes, we have coffee, tea, and juice.
I think I would like a coffee.
What kind of coffee would you like?
What do you recommend?
I recommend a latte. It is smooth and easy to drink.
That sounds good. I will have a latte.
Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Would you like milk and sugar?
Yes, please. Milk and 1 spoon of sugar.
No problem.
Do you have something to eat?
Yes, we have food.
What kind of food do you have?
We have croissants, muffins, sandwiches, and cookies.
I like croissants.
Our croissants are very fresh.
That sounds perfect. I will take 1 croissant.
Great choice. Is that all for you today?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Your total is $6.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Your order will be ready soon.
Okay, thank you.
Please sit anywhere you like.
Okay, I will sit near the window. This coffee shop is very quiet.
Yes, many people like to relax here.
I like quiet places. They help me think.
Me too. I feel calm when it is quiet.
Do many people come here in the morning?
Yes, especially before work.
That makes sense.
Here is your latte and your croissant.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please enjoy.
The latte looks very good. This coffee tastes great.
I'm glad you like it.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Me too. Coffee helps me wake up.
Many people say that.
Do you work here every day?
Yes, I work here 5 days a week.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Why do you like it?
Because I like meeting people and talking.
That sounds nice. I like coffee shops because they feel friendly.
Yes, coffee shops are good places to meet people.
Some people come to work or study.
That's true. Some people bring laptops and books.
I like studying English in coffee shops.
That's a great idea. Are you learning English now, Sarah?
Yes, I am learning English.
How long have you been learning?
I have been learning English for 1 year.
That's very good.
I try to practice every day.
That is the best way to learn.
I listen slowly and repeat the sentences.
That helps your pronunciation.
Yes, it does. Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak 2 languages.
That's impressive.
Thank you. Learning languages is fun.
I feel comfortable speaking English here.
That's good. Feeling comfortable is important.
People are kind in this coffee shop.
We try to make everyone feel welcome.
I finished my latte.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for your service, Luca.
You're very welcome, Sarah.
I will come again.
We will be happy to see you again. Everyone, this is the end of our conversation.
We hope you enjoyed this easy English listening practice.
Please listen again and repeat the sentences.
This will help your confidence.
Now, we have a question for you.
What do you like to drink at a coffee shop?
Coffee, tea, or something else?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to Luca English channel.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Have a wonderful day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.